Hello everyone, Dr. Monica this side. Hope you all are good. Well, in today's video, we'll be unboxing a new endomotor of the brand called eighteeth and its apex locator. Let's check what is there in the box and what is the cost of the endomotor and apex locator and its good feedback after the use of both. Let's start the video. So this endomotor is from the brand called eighteeth, which is from Oricam. It contains endomotor handpiece, quadrangle, charging cable, rubber transparent insulating sleeve, handpiece stand or holder, and charger. Connect the endomotor handpiece with the quadrangle gently, then turn off or on with the black button present in the center. About the functioning of the endomotor, it has 5 modes with 4 forward and 1 reverse reciprocation, auto torque reverse, auto power on and off time, which saves the battery of the endomotor. We can attach a rotary file and check the working of the endomotor. The cost of the model is around 35 to 40,000, which includes the both endomotor and apex locator. Let's unbox the apex locator. So this box contains the apex locator main unit, measuring wire, file clips which are 2, lip hooks which are also 2, an adapter, and apex locator tester. Let's turn on the device with on and off button. Plug the measuring wire to the corresponding slot which is present on the right side. Connect the file clip to black end of the measuring wire and connect the lip hook to white end of the measuring wire. Now this file clip is connected to the rotary file placed inside the teeth. File clip is connected to the rotary file placed inside the tooth, and the lip hook is connected to the corner of the mouth, and the reading is taken on the apex locator unit. So let me know which endomotor you use, and if you use this endomotor, what is your feedback and from how long are you using the endomotor, and comment down your suggestions which is the best endomotor as per your opinion. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next informative video.